Alright, this is the climate control from a 2000 GMC Sierra pickup. Should be 2000 to or 99 to 02 models. What I have here, I'm trying to replace the light bulbs. You can see there's 4 light bulbs along the top here, but those actually are all still working. They're all 6 volt. What I needed to replace were the 3 that light up the fresh air, recycle air, and AC to indicate that the AC is on. Well, it's not the indicator, but it's when the lights are on. The little indicators are LEDs beside the plugs. Do not mess with those. So what I ran into is these 3 are actually smaller than these 4 bulbs up here, because that's what I had ordered online. And they're 6 volt bulbs, but they're way too big to go down here. As you can see, these are much smaller. Okay, so what I did, I've actually replaced the 2 on the outside already. I know I'm not that good with soldering, but the one in the middle is still straight from the factory. This was my first one. Yeah, it's pretty rough, I know. But where I got these, I had to run around town, and what they are from Radio Shack. What limited supply they still carry. It is part number 272-1154, 12 volt 50 milliamp bi-pin lamp. I don't know if these are supposed to be 12 volt or 6 volt, but I've already tested the right side, the AC when it lights up for the AC, and it works, and it seems to be normal brightness. So they did not have any that were 6 volt, so this is what I'm working with. There again, these are the bulbs that light up the buttons for the AC, recycle, and fresh air. These are not the LEDs that light up. The little LEDs that you saw light up in the corner, there's a little button, I don't know if you can even, there's a little transparent spot there, and it's yellow. Alright, we'll see how I do with this later. Alright, I'll show you the end result here in a second. Real quick, here, well, let's see if I can get it to focus. Come on. Alright, the one on the bottom is the bulb from Radio Shack, and the one on top is the factory. You can see the prongs are a little bit longer on the Radio Shack one, obviously. Just use some diagonal cutters to trim that back, and you're good to go. You can see it's a little brownish around the collar there. Alright, time to test it. When you're testing, if you just want power to the lights, all you need to do is plug in the right, plug it on the right side with the blue. The one on the left, this one, plugs into the fan control, so it doesn't really, you don't need it. But alright, let me see if I can. Well, it's not going to stay up. I'll turn the key on. As you see, the top 4 work, and success. The bottom 3 work. And you can see the LEDs, so when you select, they change. They all work. Alright, good deal. Hope this helps. I had a hard time finding these, so hope it helps somebody else. Alright, have a good day. Bye. Thank you for watching. Yeah, if anybody has any tips on removing the PCB from the case here, I would be glad to hear it. I would like to replace these bulbs at some point. Probably not going to do it now. They're working. They do look pretty crappy though. You can see they've heated up a good bit. But these little clips that hold them in, you can see there. Yeah, let's see from the back. See, I already broke 1 and 2. That actually broke that. So I really don't want to break the other 3 that are holding it in there, because I don't know how to keep it in from there. Hot glue it or something like that. I don't want to super glue it, obviously. But if anybody has any tips on how to get this out without damaging the whole plastic case, so I can put it back and leave it stock for the most part, and without having to go to a junkyard and buy another one, let me know. Thanks. Alright, as you can see, the bulbs we replaced are working. The three bottom ones you see there, the fresh air, recycle, and AC. The other four that I showed you light up the display up top, and also are supposed to send a little bit of light to the turn knobs. You can see they're a little dim. Probably go back in and change those at some point. But like I said, that board wants to break the casing when I try to get it out. So probably have to hot glue it back in if I do that. So another day. All right. Thanks. Bye.